Hello students, good morning students. Today is 17th July 2020. Students, your chapter number 4 was going on, chapter 4, and the name of the chapter is factors and multiples, and this is your page number 1 of today's class. And students, your mixed bag was going on, mixed bag questions. Okay, so listen. Student, in the last class question third was going on. In question third there are the 10 part. 8 part has been finished, 4 has been done by me, and 4 I am providing to you in your homework. Now I want to start the next part. So look here, question third. Find the HCF. Find the HCF. I part of this question. Numbers has been given 12, 48 and 72. So students, same pattern you will follow that I have taught to you in the last class. So look the solution. First you find out the prime factors of 12. Okay, another number has been given 42. So after that you will find out the prime factors of 48, then prime factors of 72. Okay, so look here, how can we find out the prime factors? This is your rough column. First number has been given 12. So as you know students, 12 will be divisible by 2. Firstly 2 6 are 12, then 2 3 are, then 3 1 are. So you have got the number 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, then after that another number has been given 48. It will be also divisible by 2. Firstly 2 2s are, 2 4s are, then 2 1 are, 2 2s are, 2 6 are, 2 3s are, then 3 1 are. Okay, so you will also note it down here, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, another number has been given here 72. So you will also find out the product of 72. So 2 36, then 2 18, 2 9, 3 3s are, then 3 1 are. It means you will write it here 3 times 2 and 2 times 3. Okay, so now here you can also find out the common factors. Common factors. So what are the common factors? You can see it. 2 times 2 has come. Okay, here 2 times 2 and here also 2 times 2. Okay, and 1 times 3 has been come. Okay, so these numbers are common. So you will write 2 into 2 into 3. So you can multiply it. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So you can write it, therefore HCF is equal to highest common factor is equal to 12. So this is your answer students. You will write the answer, HCF is equal to 12. Clear students? If you have any doubt then you can also ask the query. Okay, now next and last part of this question number third, J part. J part question has been given, the numbers has been given 42, 63 and 84. Okay, so look here, how can you find out the prime factors? How can you find out the HCF after the prime factors? So here you will find out prime factors of 42 is equal to, then prime factors of 63, then prime factors of 84. Okay, so look here, in the rough column you will find out first number 42. Okay, so 2 2s are, 2 1s are, then after that another number is 21 you have find out. So 3 7s are 21, then 7 1s are. So here you have find out the factors of 42, 2 into 3 into 7. Okay, so again you can find out the factors of 63. I have a space here, so I will also find out the factors here also. In rough work, number has been given 63, so it will be divisible by 3. 3 2 ja 6, 3 1 ja, then 3 7 ja, 7 1 ja. Okay, so you can write it here. The factors of 63, prime factors of 63 is 3 into 3 into 7. Okay, now last number has been given 84, so I will also find out it 84. 84 will be divisible by 2. 2 4 ja, 2 2 ja, then again 2 2 2 ja, 2 1 ja, then 3 7 ja, then 7 1 ja. So you have find out it 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. Okay, so common factors you will find out. Common factors is equal to 3. 3 has come in all the numbers as like a prime factor, so 3 into, then 7 one times has been also come, so into 7, so is equal to 21. Therefore HCF is equal to 21. So you will write the answer HCF, highest common factor, is equal to 21. Clear, students? If you have any doubt, then you can ask the query. Now I want to start question number 4 from the next page. So PTO, please turn over. Okay, so students, this is your page number 2 of today's class. Okay, now question number 4. In question number 4, it has been given find the LCM. Okay, there are the 10 parts in question number 4. So A part I will solve it here. A, numbers has been given 6 and 15. Okay, so look the solution. In that question it has not told about the method, which method you will be applicable here. So which method is easy to solve for you, you can solve it here. Okay, so I think this method is easy, so you can find out the LCM on the basis of this method. So here you can see it. First you find out the prime factor of 6 and 15. So I have seen the smallest, that prime factor number is 2. 2 3 is 6. 15 will not be divisible, so 15 as it is you will note it down here. Okay, then 3 and 15 has come. Then 3 and 15 will be divisible by 3. 3 1 is 3, 3 5 is 15. Then after that next number 5. 5 1 is 5, 5 1 is 5. So here you can see it, you have find out the factors. Therefore LCM is equal to 2 into 3 into 5. You will multiply it. Okay, 2 3 is 6, 6 into 5, 6 5 is 30. So you will write the answer LCM is equal to 30. Okay, 30 is your LCM. Now B part, students, here are 10 questions, 10 part of question number 4. 5 I will solve and 5 I will provide to you in your homework. Okay, so next number B, 12 and 16 has given, so it will be in your homework. Okay, now C part. In C part the numbers has been given 18 and 24. So look the solution. Alternative questions I will solve and alternative questions you will solve. Okay, of question number 4. Okay, 18 and 24 has been given. So same pattern you will follow here. You know about that. That will be related from the 2. It means the lowest prime number here 2 you will applicable. 2 9 ja 18, 2 1 ja 2 2 ja, then again 2 9 divide नहीं होगा, so 9 को 9 as it is note कर लेंगे, and 2 6 ja 12. Then after that 2 9 2 3 ja 6. Okay, then 9 and 3 has come, and students you can see it here. 9 and 3 will be divisible by 3 firstly. 3 3 is 9 and 3 1 is 3. Then 3 3 1 is 3 and 1 you have noted down as it is. Therefore LCM is equal to, you will multiply all these factors. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So first we will multiply 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 3 is 24, 24 3 is 72. Okay, so you will write the answer LCM is equal to 72. Clear, students? Any doubt? If you have doubt, then you can also ask the query. Okay, so let's start the next part of question number 4. I have space in this page, so I have draw here one line. Okay, now D part. In D part, the numbers has been given 8 and 18. Okay, this is in your homework. In E part, numbers has been given 21 and 25. So look here the solution of 21 and 25. 21 and 25. Students, you know about that. It will be divisible by 2 firstly. So, sorry, 2 nahi, 3. 3 firstly. 3 7 ja, then 25. Then after that you can see it. It will be divisible by 5. So you will take the 5. 5, 7 nahi jayega. 7 ko as it is. 5 5 ja 25. Then 5, 7 you have noted down as it is. 5 1 ja 5 and 7 will be divisible only by 7. So 7 1 ja 7. Okay. So it has been divisible by 3 firstly, then 5, then 5, then 7. So therefore LCM is equal to 3 into 5 into 5 into 7. Now you can multiply it. 3 5s are 15. 15 into 5 is equal to into 7. 3 5s are 15. Then remaining number are 5 and 7. So 5 into 7. Then 15 5s are 75. 75 into 7. Now you can multiply it. In rough column you can multiply. Then the last number has been 75 and 7. So look here, multiplication 75 into 7. 7 5s are 35. Okay, 3 will be carry forward. 7 7 are 49. 49 and 3 52. So you have got the multiplication 525 and this is your LCM also. So you will write answer LCM is equal to 525. Clear, students? Now F part has been given. F part 24, 72 and 90. It will be also in your homework. Okay, students? So now G part I will solve it. Okay, look here. This is your page number 3 of today's class. Okay, G part of question number 4. Numbers has been given 18, 24 and 32. Okay, so look here. Solution. So same pattern you will follow here, students. Numbers 18, 24 and 32. Okay, you know about that. These are the even numbers, so it will be divisible by 2 firstly. 2 9 ja, then 12, then 16. Okay, then it will be also divisible by 2. 9 2 6 ja, 2 8 ja. Then again 2 2 9 ja, 2 3 ja, 2 4 ja. Then 2 9 3 2. Again 2 9 3 1. Okay, so now you can see it. 9 and 3 will be divisible by 3. 3 3 ja 9. 3 1 ja 3. 3 1 ka 1 as it is. Then 3 1 ja 1 1. Therefore LCM is equal to, so what are the factors you have find out? 2 how many times? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 times 2. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 and 3 2 times, so 3 into 3. So now you can multiply it. 2 2s are 4. Then into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Then 4 2s are 8. 8 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 8 2s are 16. 16 into 2 into 3 into 3. 16 2s are 32. 32 into 3 into 3. So now you will multiply it. 32 into 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 96 into 3. Now you will multiply from 96 into 3. So 3 6 are 18. 9 3s are 27 and 128. So students, your answer is, you will write the answer LCM is equal to 288. Clear, students? Now H part. H part of question number 4 has been given. Numbers has been given 14, 28 and 30. Students, it will be also in your homework. Okay, so now next question I. In I part, the number has been given 24, 36 and 90. Okay, so look the solution. 24, 36 and 90. So you know about that 24, 36 and 90 are the even number. So it will be firstly divisible by 2. So firstly it will be divisible by 2, 12, then 18, then 45. Then 2 again, 2 6 are 12, 2 9 and 45. Then again students, it will be divisible by 2 because 2 3s are 6 and 9 will not be divisible. So 9 as it is and 45 as it is. Now 3 1 are 3, 3 3s are 9 and this is 15. Okay, now again 3 1 are 3, 3 1 are 3, 3 5s are 15. Then 5 1 are 5 and 1 you have been noted down as like same. So therefore LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Then 4 2s are 8, 8 into 3 into 3 into 5. Next 8 3s are 24, 24 into 3 into 5. Then 24 3s are 72 into 5. So now when you have multiplied from 72 into 5, so you will find out 360. So now students, you can write the answer LCM is equal to 360. Okay, now J numbers has been given in J part 12, 15 and 30. Students, this will be also in your homework. So students, if you have any doubt, then you can also ask the query without any hesitation. But students, study in a proper way. Okay students. So now students, this is your page number 4. Okay, now question number 5. Question number 5 has been given. The product of two numbers is 300 if their LCM is 60, comma, find their HCF. Okay, so students, at the time of the exercise I have already told to you one formula. So on the basis of this formula you will solve it. So look the solution. Formula was product of two numbers is equal to product of their HCF and LCM. Okay, so students, product of two number has been given here. The product has been given 300 and LCM has been given while the HCF has not been given. You can also suppose, let us HCF is equal to X. Okay, so product of LCM and HCF, so LCM is 60 and HCF is X. Product means multiplication. So 300 is equal to 60 into X. So you can also write 60 into X is equal to 300. Both are same. Okay, so here 60 has been multiplied from X in the left hand side. When you have transferred it in your right hand side, so it will be converted in the division. So here you will write X is equal to 300 divided by 60. Okay, so students, now you will divide it. 0 से 0 cut हो जाएगा. So now the remaining number is X is equal to 30 upon 60 and you know about the table of 6. 6 5s are 30. So x is equal to 5 and आपने x को क्या माना था? HCF आपने माना था x है. So therefore HCF is equal to 5. So you will write the answer. In the question it has been given also, find the HCF. So you will write the answer HCF is equal to 5. Clear students? Students, if you have any doubt then you can also ask the query. Okay, so now today's class में इतना ही. I will start the next question number 6 from my next class. Okay students.